not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call with a fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Into a pot.
Do I like this? Oh, no,
You will see something new. I call them thing one and thing two. They are things. Oh, so things. They are cups.
in a house that should not.
What a shame. What? Have no fear of this mess,
said the cat with the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
Keep your hands and feet inside the door. Until you have you will ask to be supplied.